In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change mouse buttons with Logitech G Hub software. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize any sort of side button, DPI button, or any other additional buttons that you have on your Logitech mouse. This will work for most models. As long as your specific model can be loaded into G Hub, you will be able to get it done. So to download it, go to the official Logitech website, hover over software, G Hub, and then you will find it for Windows and Mac OS. Now, if you have your Logitech peripheral connected to your PC, immediately upon opening G Hub, it should appear right here. So in this example, I have my 502X. So when you see it here, click on your mouse. If you see this view here, what you have to do is enable software control. So I like using mine on onboard memory mode, but you have to turn this off if you wish to access all of the features in G Hub. So after you change this, you will see that this icon is now off. And if you click on it again, now you are able to customize everything. So the main point, if you want to change the mouse buttons themselves, are going to be assignments. You can change the sensitivity in the DPI through this menu here, but like I said, the main one is assignments. So in here, you will see all of the buttons that you have available on your specific model. So my 502X has a lot of buttons available. I can change the views here. I have some side buttons. And in order to assign actions, all that I have to do is look for commands, keys, actions, and so on. So for example, I like using this button here as F9. So let's say that there is a specific action in a game, and that action is performed with F2. What you can do is look for F2 under the keys. So these are standard keyboard keys, and then you can drag F2 to this button right here. Now, if I press this button, it is going to press F2. And like I said, you can change this freely. So I can grab F9, I can put it over here on this lower button, and you will be able to manage everything. If you wish to remove an assignment, click on the button, and then you can either use default or disable it. So I like having this one disabled, and I'll assign F9 to this top one. So it is super simple to customize. You can do all sorts of assignments, and like I said, everything will be saved. So after you are done with this, you can assign this to specific games. So for example, if I wanted these keybinds to only be active in Counter-Strike 2, I could click it here. So I could make, for example, a smoke grenade bind, an HE grenade bind, and so on. It is easy to set up, and there are all sorts of things that you can do. You can even assign actions, so it can be integrated into these applications. You can do macros, system keys, and there is a lot to explore. I'm not going to cover every single thing in this video, but from this point onwards, it's very intuitive. I hope I was able to help you on how to change mouse buttons with Logitech G Hub software. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.